What? You unsubscribed from me? Today I'm going to be talking about the top 4 lessons to learn when somebody unsubscribes from you. So guys, as leaders, you most likely had someone unsubscribe from you. Unsubscribe from your blog, unsubscribe from your message, and just totally deleted themselves out of your life. Now, how do you handle situations like that as a leader? Because you're going to need to and want to know how to expect this as a leader. So really quickly, I want to give you 4 things on what to do when someone unsubscribes from you. Number 1 is you want to keep sharing your message. Because if you continue to share your message and you continue to refine your message, who cares about the people that unsubscribe from you? Because really that's going to happen as a leader. Not everybody is going to connect with you. Not everybody is going to see eye to eye with you. So that's going to happen. Whatever it is that you're doing, that's definitely going to happen. Number 2 is you want to read more. I know you can always say you never read enough. The more books that you read, the more knowledge that you get, the more information that you acquire, and now you can also share that knowledge with other people. I want you to know that not many people read. Not many people read many books, and by you reading and continuously personally developing yourself, you can continue to be better when someone unsubscribes from you. Number 4 is don't dwell on what went wrong, or don't dwell on the why. That's what we tend to do as leaders when someone unsubscribes. I know if someone unsubscribes from my blog or they unsubscribe from my message, I used to think, well, why? You know, what's the reason why? Why did they leave? You know, what's going on? What did I not do? But I had to come to realize that it wasn't about me. It wasn't about what I was not doing, but I wanted to flip that around and see how I can make myself better. So how could you continue to make yourself better when someone unsubscribes from you? You know, that shouldn't affect you, because you should know that that's going to happen anyway. Because in life, in business, people are just not going to connect with you all the time. So just remember, don't think about what went wrong. Take the positive out of that and think about what went right. And number 4 is you want to put and continue to push great content. Push yourself for greatness, because when you have great content out there, people are going to find you. When you continuously put value into the atmosphere, you continually to bless people's lives, you continue to teach, you continue to train, you continue to show people what to do and how to, you just talk from your heart and you continue to bless individuals. Guess what? There's going to be some unsubscriptions, but there's also going to be some subscriptions. So I just wanted to share this quick message with you guys today. Don't get upset when someone unsubscribes from you. Try to find a positive and try to figure out, how can I become better? People are always going to unsubscribe. It's how you can continue to become better and become the great leader that you are. So this is Lincoln Parks, and I wanted to shoot this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week on Lincoln's Leadership Lessons. Take care.